Welcome back to Soul Society. Here, we explore natural wisdom, simple remedies, and ways to care for your body and soul. Today, we're talking about a common household accident, minor burns, and sharing natural, effective remedies you can try at home to soothe them quickly. At home, minor burns are common. Here are natural remedies to quickly and effectively soothe everyday minor burns. If the burned area is large or severe, consult your doctor immediately. These remedies are only for small, superficial burns. Contrary to popular belief, ice-cold water is not recommended, as it can worsen the injury. Run the burned area under cool water, ideal temperature, 15 to 26 degrees Celsius, for about 15 minutes to cool the burn and prevent it from spreading. The pain should ease quickly. Honey is a natural anti-inflammatory with soothing and healing properties. Apply a generous layer of honey to the burned area, leave it for a few minutes, then rinse gently with lukewarm water. Aloe vera is excellent for treating minor burns, thanks to the clear gel inside its leaves. If you have a plant at home, cut a leaf, open it, and collect the gel. Apply it to the burn and repeat 3 times a day until healed. Avoid using butter or oil, they can trap heat and make the burn worse. Spike lavender essential oil is particularly effective for soothing burns thanks to its antiseptic and healing properties. This recipe is perfect for small, superficial burns. Immediately place the affected area under lukewarm water for 10 to 15 minutes. Pat dry, then apply spike lavender essential oil directly to the burn. Repeat the process every 15 minutes for 1 hour to soothe the burn. These remedies are for minor burns only. Do not use them on deep burns, large areas, or burns with blisters covering more than a few centimeters. Seek medical attention in those cases. Thank you for watching Soul Society. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health wisdom and holistic remedies every week. Take care of yourself, mind, body, and soul.